Hello everyone, OMG, this turned out so good. Everyone loved it, especially my husband. Let's start by washing the salmon and patting it dry with a paper towel. Marinate with black pepper, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and a little oil. Air fry at 400 degree for 9 to 10 minutes, then flake it gently. Next, take imitation crab sticks. This is not real crab. It's a crab mimic. Slice and chop them into small pieces using scissors. Add cream cheese, Japanese mayo, and a touch of sriracha. Mix in the baked salmon and combine everything well. Now layer warm sushi rice in a baking dish. Season with mirin and white rice vinegar and mix well. Place pieces of seaweed on top of the rice layer. Spread the mixture of salmon crab evenly on top. Then bake until bubbly and slightly golden. Once done, drizzle with spicy mayo and a little extra sriracha for taste. Scoop it with seaweed, wrap and enjoy. It was so good, and we all loved it. Thank you for watching For My Little Cooking and supporting me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to me.